So hello guys, this is Lisa and I'm back with my new video in my channel Bongo Hacks, and today I'm gonna show you the biggest purple haul which I made on purple few days ago. So without any delay, let's start it. It's a tan removal orange face wash. The cost, the MRP of this product is 130 and I got it on rupees 98 from Purple. So guys, you can see they had given me such a good discount. So when you will go to market, you have to buy at this price only, but you are getting a discount on Purple. I will just try this product and watch this video till the end because I will let you know people how to earn from Purple. This product is always good to me and I just love this product, and I'm gonna rate this product 8 upon 10. Now comes the Himalaya Tan Removal Orange Peel Off Mask, which is guys too good. I had applied it along my nose area. It had shown its results from the first use only. You can see the result. I just love this product and I'm gonna rate this product 10 upon 10. This is the first time I guess I'm gonna rating 10 upon 10. I had bought a whitening cream, clear complexion whitening day cream, which lightens skin tone and with UV protection. Okay, so let's try it. It cost rupees 150 and they had given me discount. The real cost is 188 I guess. Let me see. Oh no, the real cost is 250, but they had given me discount, that is rupees 150. I had some doubt, so let's try it. You can see the texture. Okay, this is the texture. Now I will just apply it. Let's see. After applying this cream, I am having sweat on my face. This product had given me extra tan on my face, so I am rating 0. It's a concealer from Stay Quirky. Applying this product on my under eye area, on the corner of my eyes, nose, and on some part of my cheeks. So guys, I had applied for almost 3 times but it didn't conceal properly, so I will not suggest you people to buy this product. I will not suggest you people to buy this. Instead of it, you can buy other product because it is not worth for money, I guess. It's a mini size but it's too mini. I am rating this product 4 upon 10. Okay, now I will just apply the compact powder, which is from Purple itself, and it's a shade from Honey Self Care 2. So guys, let's try it. The packaging is also good. This compact gives a good coverage, so I like this product. I will mention all the products on my description box below, so if you want to buy this product, you can buy it from that link. I am gonna rate this product 8 upon 10. Okay, I had bought a remover from Purple and this is good guys. I had tried it. I am gonna rate this product 8 upon 10. And here is a nail polish which I had bought from Purple. It's a company, it's a product from NY Bay and it's a nude matte shade. I just love this nail polish and I'm gonna rate this product 8 upon 10. I bought the Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline and I will try it. I'm gonna rate this product 9 upon 10. Along with this discounts, they had gifted me one thing, guys. They had gifted me one lipstick, which is from Darling Isabella. Now comes the most exciting thing, how to earn from Purple app. You have to refer the Purple app to your friends and share it via WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and your friend have to just download the Purple app from that link, and your friend is getting ₹100 off if he or she buys above ₹600, and you along with this getting ₹100 saving to your wallet. And like this way 100 is saved to your wallet whenever you share with your other friends. Suppose ₹500 is saved to your wallet, but you can't use this ₹500 at one time. If you buy anything from Purple, suppose you are buying for ₹400 from Purple, they will give you ₹100 off. Like this way you can earn from Purple. Guys, I end my video here rating all the products from Purple, and I just love the gift they had given me. It's a metallic glow lipstick and I just love the shade too, and I'm gonna rating the Purple app 5 upon 5. So if you like this video and if this video is helpful to you, then just press on the subscribe button below and like my video and share it with your friends and family. जाते जाते सब्सक्राइब करते जाना प्लीज.